housing market. Part of it might be sitting in a driveway near you. The houses, smaller than a typical house and built where a garage would normally go, are quickly gaining in popularity. Kristen Robinson explains the phenomenon.
Okay, guys, ready for dim-dims?
Lori Poboot loves her laneway home and says it's the perfect rental accommodation for her and her 2 dogs.
It has everything that a home would have in a slightly scaled down version, but it's not that small. People are surprised when they come and see how big it actually is.
The 3-bedroom home is not quite 1,000 square feet, but a good use of space makes it appear much larger. The rent is comparable to what she says she'd pay for a 2-bedroom apartment in the same Denbar neighborhood, and it's much quieter than the house she used to rent, with a basement suite subletted to a tenant.
It's peace of mind, and also, too, just even liability. I mean, this is 100% legal.
Following a record 350 permits in 2012, the BC government worker has one of 348 permits issued for new laneway homes in Vancouver in 2013, a more than 1,800% increase from the 18 permits issued 4 years ago.
Well, I think the growth will continue. We haven't set a cap on the number of laneway houses that's appropriate, but I know staff are watching very carefully to make sure the neighborhood impacts are positive. Changes were made just over a year ago to reduce the height of some of them to make sure that they don't overlook neighbors. There's always concern about parking, but those problems seem to be pretty manageable.
The detached houses must be rentals and cannot be strata in order to boost the city's rental housing stock. And since they must be built on existing properties, your landlord is often right next door.
I think with the owners living so close, there's probably pride of ownership, a little more than there would be with a landlord that's not present. Yeah. And it's nice just to know they're there. You know, I already have a friend in the neighborhood, so.
And this new architecture could be spreading. Vancouver hopes to have laneways in every neighborhood soon to ease the rental crunch. Kristen Robinson, Global News.
The second